Now, next up here is going to be with Robinhood. This is great for any type of investor. It is zero account balance minimum, as well as zero fees. Now, there are of course some fees on some other options that you're doing with Robinhood, but the base version of investing is free. Simple and clean user interface. This is honestly one of the best investing apps out there when it comes to user interface. Nothing comes second, honestly, to it. They do also have fractional shares, so you can invest in very small dollar amounts as well. And then you can also do options trading if you're somebody who wants to go into that area. They also have the option for instant deposits. It's $1,000 plus. It's usually $1,000 to begin with. And if you have the paid membership, it will jump up a higher dollar amount. Now, instant deposits allow you to have that money that you transferred in instantaneously to go ahead and buy into the market right away, which allows you to not have to wait a couple of days for that money to be deposited into your account. Now, part of the reason that's really nice is because they also have a 24/5 trading market, which is one of the very first to be able to do something like this, where you could be sitting on your couch on a Wednesday night at like 9 p.m. Eastern and be able to trade stocks in real time. Now, that link down below will give you an option to be able to go ahead and get one free stock up to $200 in value. The next up here is going to be with Webull. Webull also has a zero fee per trade and zero account minimum. They have a zero commission options trading as well, so if you're into options trading, can save you quite a bit. You also do have advanced tools for investing research. So if you want to get a lot of information and not have to constantly get out of an app, this will do it for you. You also can earn high interest rates on uninvested cash. So if you have money just sitting around kind of waiting to decide on what to invest in, you can at least earn some money on your money. Now, they also do paper trading, which is essentially practicing with fake money. So you can actually be putting money into different stocks or funds that you would like to see how it works out. Great way to kind of get started, and they do have promotions where you can get up to 70 free fractional shares. And yes, I know that sounds like a lot. And there are, of course, some tiers on how much you deposit to get those free shares. And I would definitely recommend checking it out if you want to earn something for at least trying out an app entirely free.